So Feedback Medical is a really unique company in that we have a technology called Bleepa that brings together different provider settings around the patient. And when we worked with Queen Victoria Hospital to reimagine the pathway of a patient, the fundamental was about how you bring together the clinical information into one place so that the team can dynamically collaborate in ways that just aren't possible when you're essentially chained to siloed operating systems. So fundamentally what we set out to do was to work together across primary and secondary care to bring a common view of that patient and allow the clinicians to come in from anywhere to review the patient's information. Our core clinical platform, Bleepa, is all about unlocking the patient from provider settings so that you can move the patient very flexibly and quickly from primary care into diagnostics and then into secondary care for the complete management of that case. And as a result of that and removing the geographic parameters on care, we've actually been able to enable a concertinaed care pathway that is 63% faster for the patient, whilst at the same time allowing you to divert patients away from outpatient appointments in 90% of cases, which is better for both the patients but also the clinicians. It also means that you can typically, as a clinician, log into a patient, give an opinion on that patient in as little as 5 to 6 minutes, as opposed to a 30-minute outpatient appointment, which means in large you can deliver 5 to 6 times the volume of patient throughput using the same clinical workforce, which is a critical question now for the NHS as a whole. How do we use our existing and finite clinical resource more efficiently for the benefit of patients, whilst at the same time giving a better experience and work-life balance for our clinicians? The platform is completely agnostic. It works across all pathways, non-specific abdominal pain pathways, dermatology pathways, cancer pathways, any form of elective or operative care pathway. And now we're delighted to say that in our deployments in Sussex, we are onboarding across a range of different pathways, all based on the same core product and the same core deployment. So Bleepa is a fantastic tool because once deployed, it opens a world of transformation across multiple specialty areas and multiple clinical pathways. One product to liberate the entire system.